side by side, our fears are done. All the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
Hello again, everybody. I'm Scott.
And I'm Melissa.
Welcome back to our video event today.
We are in Wisconsin Dells.
Now, what is Wisconsin Dells known for? Well, what I just told you. But more importantly, it's kind of a combination of Pigeon Forge, Disneyland, Atlantic City, another Disney Scenic. Every touristy place.
Lots of water parks. Inside, outside.
I did read something. It's the water park capital of the world. And I can see why.
Great for families. All
Food,
different
restaurants.
I mean, we went to a museum of root beer. We got a flight of root beer.
Everything. Tattoo parlors, souvenir shops, restaurants, you name it, it's there.
And then all these boat rides you can do. We did the Dells boat tour of the Upper Dells. And when we went on the Dells boat tour, it was part boat and part walking. And we saw Witch's Gulch, and then we saw a dog jumping over. I don't know what it's called. Standing something. Yeah, I thought that was a joke. I didn't think a dog was going to jump.
I prefer it if there's a dog jump coming.
Yeah, I thought they were kidding. I was
all of a sudden, we're all the group, 50 people standing. He goes, okay.
And the dog jumps. There wasn't
netting. All right, Charlie. And all of a sudden, boop. So
it was
the
so
story,
fast.
I'll give you the quick story on the dog jump. The dog is just an example of a jump that was done, I don't know, I'm going to say 100 years ago. The way this place became famous as a tourist attraction is there was a gentleman who was tired of taking pictures, like an hour to take a picture. So in the old days, you'd have a camera. In order to take a picture, you'd have to sit in and wait until it develops, right? So any movement is one capture because it has to happen. It's very snappy, which takes an instant photo of something, which is our normal cameras today. So what he did is this little ledge. It's a 5-foot gap, way up high in the air, and I think it was 50 or 60 feet high. 2 pillars. And it was a 5-foot gap. So what he did is had his son, 100 years ago, run and jump this little gap and took a picture. And in order to do it,
he won 17
times he had his son do
that. That was nowadays they would say the father was abusive.
Yeah, so 17 times he had his son do it to capture the picture. And once he captured the picture, he entered picture in a contest in Chicago, and he won, and everyone wanted to know where is that, because it's a pretty magnificent thing. You'll see pictures of it if you have. So he won, and people started coming up to Wisconsin Dells.
I'm waiting at the doorstep, I'm finally home. I've been gone for too long. Standing here a while just to take it all in. Radio's playing our song.
A little tip is that you could park for free if you're planning on going on the Upper Dells. You could park there and walk around the downtown area and not have to pay for parking.
And then you stood there smiling at me as so many times before. I'll never wanna be away, leave you again. You are all I want and more. It's true. If only I could do one thing, I'll be with you. It's true.
Okay, we're at the Museum of Root Beer, and we did a flight tasting all different types of root beer. It goes from the Potosi root beer and so forth. So what'd you think of that one? They said that was sweetest.
Yes. And if you don't want 2040.
Alright, this is the Potosi.
I know they're really
Waiting at the doorstep, finally home. I've been gone for too long. Standing here a while just to take it all in. Radio is playing the song. It is true. If only I could do one thing, I'll be with you. It is
Want to look on the right hand side of the boat here. Coming up is our first rock formation of the tour. It's gonna be on that right hand shoreline. You're gonna look for that large cliff emerging from the tree line there. Coming up here once again on the right hand side, you're gonna want to look straight ahead for that lone pillar of sandstone sticking out there. To me, it kind of looks like a stack of pancakes. This is known as Chimney Rock, and it is a perfect example of the wind, water, and frost erosion that occurs here on the Wisconsin River. Imagine the surrounding trees and vegetation as a headdress. This is known as Black Hawk's profile. It was named after Black Hawk, a very famous Native American leader who led the Fox and Sauk tribe. Now, because these two cliffs are so close in size and shape, we call these the Twin Sisters. Serves as a natural high water marker here on the Wisconsin River. Now, once in the year 1926, the water level rose to about 4 feet above the top of that shield. We turn right here into this separate channel of water. Some of you may have noticed coming up on the left hand side here, this ginormous rock island. This is actually an all rock island. It is the largest on the Upper Dells, and it is known as Steamboat Rock. Steamboat Rock got its name because early hot air balloonists who would pass by said it resembled an old paddle wheel steamer that you see of tourists here on the Wisconsin River.
If you look off to the right-hand side of the boat, we're passing by what is known as the Sunset Cliffs. These cliffs get their name as the sun sets out here in Stand Rock Bay on the opposite side of the river.
Baby, how I need the loving from you. Will you still love me as I'm getting older and old? And when you are away, I sometimes shivering cold.
Well, welcome to Stand Rock, everyone. Okay, we're all ready.
Good boy!
It is hard.